What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel where we give you all the credit intel you need to grow your wallet. Today I wanted to share with you the 3 main bank accounts that you should be opening at every institution that you are looking to build a relationship with. Now, for those of you that are in the Discord community or have been following along for a while, all of this should be basic common sense for you. But if you're brand new to the channel or brand new to this is going to be very, very valuable information. So everyone knows that one of the first things that you do when you go in to establish a new account is set up a checking account. Now, with credit unions, usually they make you set up a savings account as well. But there's a third account that you should set up as well, and that is any sort of investment account, whether this is a moving over an IRA or creating a certificate or anything that has to do with a money market account, right? That is the third account that you should be setting up. So let's go through these one by one and really talk about how to maximize your efforts at these different banking institutions. Checking account, pretty standard. We should have some sort of ACH or routine deposit happening there. If you got your check direct deposit into this new account, that would be great, especially for that first 6-month window to really, again, get the most mileage out of this. Savings account is next. So some sort of routine transactions happening at the savings account level. Now, we all know that with Navy Fed, we have to move our money into the savings account to then open up the pledge loan. So you could do something like that and routinely opening up pledge loans maybe once or twice a year. It doesn't really matter, or just moving around money into the savings account. And so the third account is the investment account, the money market account. Now, with a lot of these, you can start with a minimum of just $5. A lot of people just put $50, $100 into these different accounts, and some of them require lockup periods, some of them don't. Understand that without the minimum of whatever it is, $2,500 or greater, you're not really gonna see any benefits in terms of getting a dividend or getting any sort of APY on these accounts. But at least, again, we're showing transactions. We've got these little $50 certificate accounts we're opening up, or $50 savings accounts, CDs, whatever they are, right? That is all showing transactional history and allowing you to build transactional history with that institution. So whether it's a credit union or a bank, this is the way to build a relationship. So as you can see, like, you can't really get a lot of these going on at the same time. It makes more sense to focus on just a few. So here we are, we're about halfway through the year of 2022. So I ask you the question, like, what have you been doing this year to build up and establish new relationships with banks? If nothing, then you need to get started immediately. If you've been doing something, then maybe we need to look at what is our efforts going to be for the second half of the year. Should we be getting into another institution, right? And doing those things, because we can be doing those things as we're gardening, believe it or not. We can be opening up the pledge loans. We can be opening up these different savings accounts and vehicles while we're gardening as well, because it's going to take time for that to produce itself positively onto our internal score, or, you know, even onto our credit file and our credit report, right?
Chiming in here from the future, and I wanted to add a few additional pieces here. So first off, we've got this expanding credit access with alternative data. One of those alternative data sets is checking and savings. So again, if you didn't realize just how important setting up these accounts is and taking really great care of them, well, here's another piece of information to confirm that. And then we have the Ultra FICO, which we did a dedicated video on this not too long ago. And if you check this out, it's showing you exactly how to link up an account to your FICO to essentially give them access to improve your odds of getting more cards or getting higher limits with borrowers, right? Length of time your accounts have been open, recency and frequency of your bank transactions, evidence of consistent cash on hand, history of positive account balances. So this is no negatives, no issues coming up like that. That's really what they're looking for on these accounts. So again, checking, savings, money markets are the key core accounts that you should be setting up with any institution that you want to have a long-term relationship with.
So anyways, that's all I got for you. I'd love to hear your comments below, or if you've got any questions, concerns, love to hear from you. If you just want to help this video get in front of more people, then just click the like button and the algorithms will do the rest. If you're brand new here and you like this sort of thing, stick around, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, turn it to all, and be on the lookout. More videos coming soon. See ya.